Menteri Rangba Kajalla Ukonrat ke Sangma, haka pratrek naitung ulaple ya ka National Law University, haka jaka puli ka Bashipor ka Badan Hamayur Banch Complex Shillong, ka jingpule ya ka National Law School, kan penjana syu ya ka jingpule ya ka Kaman, bat bniah bat kiwe ki jing syakri. Haka ne ka jinyalang, layadan lang Chief Justice Meghalaya High Court, Justice Sanjeev Banerjee, Menteri Kapuli Puthi Urakam Sangma, bat Vice Chancellor Jongka University, Professor Indrajit Dube. Ukonrat Sangma, habakran ulaong, lapli ya ka NLU, bakan yarap ban pakylla, ya ka jingpuli ha ka lan'an hajalla namar bahakis nam ki balalet, shibun ki jing laya kendu namar baduna ki jaka hikai, ki bapaka halor ka lan'an. Daka jingpule ya ka NLU, kan yarap ya kinong pulian ban bniah haka bayadai bat ki an, ki bala dan lupa nadu ki por hendai hentai haka than syatay lami ni. Ukonrat ulapan pau ya ka jingkerman ba kan ni ka jaka pule, ya ka bala pendan kam mensyua da ki weipat ki jaka pule, kan yai beteng ban ai ka jing syakri kat ba ka jing penkre ban tei ya ka jaka pule ka bapura jong ka NLU kadang yat syakman. Kasorkar jela kala bha arfusan klur ban penbiang ya ki jindan kam baro hakate ke jaka puli ka Bashipor ha ka bala deb ban penlut hadu khat khandai klur. Chief Justice ka Meghalaya ulapan pau pa kani ka jaka puli ka ba khamper ka bayat ringkat bat kariti destur tenrai bat kani ka juk ka ba menta bat ka longru ka jing penkre na ka benta ka lawe.
The new education policy being implemented here, we will be having business administration combined with law. We'll be having policy research along with law. We'll be having data sciences along with law. This kind of innovation is what we need today. And this is the kind of manpower that we need to build up today in the country. And I think these kind of courses coming up are very innovative and the need of the hour. So when you talk of policy making, the policy science and the policy research that will take place along with obviously the law will be able to create experts in a specific area of policy making. Today, data sciences is a very complicated matter. Laws from international level to local laws are being made as we speak. The value of an institute comes out in basis of its research that it does, the innovation that you do. And innovation means not just product innovation, it's process innovation, it's law innovation, anything that's going to make things better. So therefore, innovation is very important. And I hope that this institute should become an institute and a center of excellence. Now we have our customary laws, we have our traditional laws. I had spoken to one senior political leader once in Delhi, and he mentioned about the fact that we need to push more and more research for the local laws, especially the tribal laws that we have at every community level. And there is no research or any kind of documentation or any kind of codification that's happening at a kind of centralized scale. I hope that this university would become the center of excellence, not just for Meghalaya, not just for Northeast, but let it be the center of excellence for all kind of customary laws and research, especially for the tribal society when it comes to the country as a whole. And I think this innovation, this research is something that we would like to see happen, and I'm sure that with the kind of team that is here, I'm sure that we will see that kind of research and innovation that's going to happen. Almost close to 18 to 19 crores has already been invested in the infrastructure out here. We expect total about 25 crores to be spent in the infrastructure that is being provided here. About a running expenditure annually of anything beyond above about 8 crores will be given from the government to run this university. So close to about 10 crores of running expenditure will be incurred annually, and therefore quite a strong financial support will be given. We are also working out to give a permanent campus, and very soon that will happen, because government of Meghalaya is working on a large plan. I think all of you are aware that we will be shifting our secretariat and administration away from the city. And we have already identified close to 200 acres of land where the initial design has started, and we should be able to complete it and formally clear it by September. And I hope that by the end of this financial year, we'll actually be able to start the construction work for the secretariat, that is going to come up in the next 3 to 5 years is what we're targeting. But while we do that, we also realize that a lot of plan and investment needs to be put into zoning the city. And whatever we are going to do in the new township, we are trying to create many zones. So obviously by zones we mean like education, knowledge zone, like an IT zone, like an industrial zone, a tech park. So all these kind of things, zoning is going to happen. And we plan to create the education and the knowledge zone in the Mopadang area, in New Shillong Township area, which we're doing. And that is where we want the NLU also to be there. We're talking to a lot of medical colleges who would be willing to come and be part of this out there. We would want to see that the brand and the image that Shillong used to have many, many years back as being a knowledge hub, we hope that we'll be able to achieve that in the coming years. It will not just transform the quality of the legal experts, the lawyers and the future judges that will come out of this college and this university, but it will also transform many aspects of society, many aspects of economics, and overall the quality and the overall system that we have in the state as a whole. So it is a turning point in one way, where we expect that many, many things will transpire from the beginning of this particular university that we are inaugurating today. The last 50 years have seen Meghalaya go through many challenges, even in the legal field. Many situations where the quality of the way the legal system should have been was not there, simply because of the lack of proper institutes, proper training, proper exposure, proper knowledge, and so many other factors which led to the overall quality of the legal system, which left it lacking, I should say. And now we are seeing that transforming and changing, as this university, as I said, is a major, major milestone in that regard.